Hello friends, good evening all of you. So today's session we are going to say about ICT, computer virus and its types of virus also. Okay, let's we start. First one, what is computer virus? So computer virus is a malicious program that can replicate itself by attaching other files or programs. So automatically it replicates and it will spread actually. So when the infected files is executed and the virus can spread and occur as a cause unwanted effects such as data corruption, or data failure, or system failure, system shutdown, or loss of some informations also. This is called malicious software. So malware is the broad term. It's a software designed for damage, disruption, and spy or steal information from or any other place or gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Next one, types of virus. What is types of? First one, spyware. What is spy? For example, you can take it spy for the unknown person they are watching us. What will say normally? They are he's working like a spy. We will say no. The same thing. It's like a spyware means one of the software. This software actually without our knowledge, it will actually it will gather all information from us and it will send to the other person. That is called spyware. So spyware is a type of malware that secretly monitors a user's activities and collect information from a computer or other device without user's knowledge or consent. That is important term, without user knowledge. So everywhere keywords I told you, no, that's one of the keyword, this one. It may collect browsing history, personal information, the login details and other sensitive data and transmit the information to unauthorized party. For example, we can say user installs unknown free application. So the application secretly tracks the website they visit and sends the collection information to the third party. Next one, Trojan Horse. Trojan Horse is a type of malware that disguises itself. It's a legitimate or useful software to trick users installing or executing it. So, unlike a virus, Trojan does not normally replicate itself. Instead, it relies on deception or social engineering to gain access to a system and perform some malicious activities. For example, a user downloads what appears in the free video players, free unknown websites. The program secretly installs the software when opened up. Next one, what is worm? So worm is a type of malware that is very dangerous one. This one self-replicate and spread from one computer to another without requiring its users to manually execute the infected file on each computer. So worm is a commonly exploited network vulnerabilities and we are weakness to spread through the internet and local area network. It's very dangerous actually. It will spread very fast and it will do through internet also. Next one, logic bomb. What is logic bomb? Logic bomb is a piece of malicious code hidden inside the legitimate program that remains inactive until the specific conditions are event occurs. Once specific conditions are met, it will be active and it will start working. So the condition may be a particular date or time or user actions or system event or it's like we will normally we used to say, for example, washing machine something. We'll set the time like this. They have set the time. That time only it will work out. So once the condition is satisfied, the malicious code is triggered and may delete files, modify and disturb the data systems. And phishing. Phishing is a social engineering technique in which attackers pretend to a legitimate person, company, bank, or service to trick users into revealing sensitive information such as username, passwords, bank details, and OTPs or something. So phishing is commonly it's a fraudulent emails, text messages, websites, or other electronic communications we can say. And what is cyber venting? Cyber venting, which we can say that is called bad mouthing or something through social media. So cyber venting refers to the expressing anger, frustration, or negative opinion about the employers, managers, colleagues, organization, or workplace on the internet. Means suppose I don't suppose it any I want to spoil it someone name and just we are going to spread their names in the social media. So it may involve postings, the comments on social media, blogs, forums, and other public platforms. Although it may be intended simple way to release frustration, publicly sharing workplace related complaints can create professional and reputational problem. For example, an employee becomes frustrated with their manager and posts insulting commands about the manager and workplace on a public social media account. That is called as a cyberventing. And forming is a type of online fraud, that is which a user redirected from a legitimate website to a fake or spoofed website without their knowledge. So the fake website is designed to look at the genuine one, but maybe used for steal the usernames, password, banking information, other sensitive data. But the fake website automatically, it's while seeing that one, it will be the original one. So forming can also involve malicious codes and manipulation of systems such as DNS and redirect users. And ransomware. So ransomware is a type of malware that blocks access to a computer system or encrypt the victim's files and demands the ransom payments in exchange of restoring access. So it's like something, for example, payment, small payment they will ask for to restore that one. So it can enter the system through malicious emails, account attachments, unsafe downloads, compromised websites, and deceptive links. For example, many emails actually used to get this files is maybe virus attached. Actually, won't risk only it has to download. Normally, we used to get messages. So that type of files automatically it will get a problem sometimes. Okay, after gaining access, the ransomware may encrypt important files and display a ransom message demanding payment. For example, employees open a malicious email attachment after within which the company's document become encrypted and cannot be opened. So the message then appears demanding payment to recover the file. So automatically that files are very important, means we have to give the payment and we have to recover. No, so like this happens sometimes. And some two questions just related this questions, but next video we are going to see different types of questions, even virus based question, teaching aid questions, and open source based questions also. Now we can see, already I told you how to work out the questions, everything match the following using elimination method. Yes, now first I'll see, I know spam. Spam means what? Unsolicited email sent over the internet to recipient of mailing list. C is the second one. Now C is the second one, means we can eliminate this one. We can eliminate this one. Now D is a third. So no need to check out. Cookies means small files or code stored in the user computer. That we, so same answer, no need to see that one. So now phishing and hacking we have to see. Hacking, everyone we know, that's one of the very this one we know everyone. So hacking is that the creator sends a legitimate looking emails to target users. So sorry, hacking means actually act of gaining unauthorized access. Okay, phishing means what? The creator sends out legitimate looking emails target users. So hacking means act of gaining unauthorized access. Okay. Now, which of the following should always recorded the security risk? Always security risk means there where we will get a problem. That's called virus based one. No, not chat rooms. Suppose, for example, we don't know that one properly. Means just to you, which one is not possible. This is voice over internet protocol. That's not possible for this one. So A and E, just you can avoid A and E where it is A and E, A, E, and B and D is there. Now we can check BRC. D don't need, no need to check. Virus is confirmed. Cookies are forming. Forming we know already, we saw virus types are. Cookies is a collecting of information. That it will won't be. So C and D will be the answer. Yes. So apart from, I'll tell you what is basic. Before 5 years before, they used to ask basic things. So nowadays they are asking the open source technologies at teaching aids, virus types, audio video files names. These are the things importantly they are asking nowadays. So today we have seen virus and its types. Next video I'm going to cover what is teaching aids. And other video we are going to cover audio video and the image files also. So very important concept, two videos also, and together we will see one question PYQs videos also. So thank you all of you. Thank you once again. Kindly see to the full video, and just if you have any doubts, you can put in the comment section. Thank you.